Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this really short video I'm going to give you guys alpha you have literally never received before for Solana meme coins and trading tips, because I just found a way on how you can make $1,000 or more extremely easy with Solana meme coins. And I know it sounds a little bit shady or sketchy, but trust me, I just found this out. It's based on this new update from DEX Screener, and I'm going to explain everything on how it works, but this is literally right now just a little bit of a real life money glitch. Maybe in the future it will, of course, this like trading strategy will get less and less popular basically, or it will get less and less profitable simply because more and more people are going to start using this. But for now I've seen nobody talk about this, so let's just immediately jump into the video. Before I do that, it's really important that when you're using this strategy that you are using a Telegram trading bot. So previously I've always basically promoted the Trojan bot simply because it was the most famous bot out there and it was a pretty quick bot. However, I just found this new bot that is created by a pretty good team. And this bot is just the fastest Telegram trading bot out there right now. It's extremely quickly, but most importantly, it's extremely user friendly. It literally has 6 buttons, and with those 6 buttons you can do everything you want. Buying, selling, copy trading, you can see your positions, you can deposit, withdraw, you can do referrals, literally everything in just 6 buttons. And if we, for example, compare that to Trojan, which literally has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 buttons, then Solscope bot is just so much easier to use. So if you are new to trading Solana meme coins, or you basically if you're not really advanced yet, I would recommend using the Solscope bot in order to trade Solana meme coins. It's the first link in the description below. If you're already pretty advanced and you already know how to trade meme coins and you can do it extremely quickly, then you can of course also use Trojan bot. It's a second link in the description below. But for now, I would recommend Solscope bot for all the new people out there. So yeah, basically that being said, what is a strategy that can make you $1,000 or more every single day? Well, it's really easy. DEX Screener just came out with this new feature where the developer or the team of a project can pay up to $4,000 every single day in order to get this boost function on DEX Screener. And what does this boost function do? Well, it will basically just increase the chances of this project doing really good. It will put it at the top of DEX Screener, and if you don't know, DEX Screener is the biggest charting platform for meme coins at the moment. So basically, by buying this boost function, it will put you at the top of DEX Screener. Everyone will be able to see your coin, and it will also make sure you're trending number 1, number 2, or number 3 over on DEX Screener. Now that's of course really cool, but how can we trade on this? Well, you've probably already noticed the coins that are doing this, that are paying $4,000 or more every single day in order to get their token basically promoted on DEX Screener, always end up sending to the freaking moon. It's crazy. This coin, the second it started that boost function, it went up over 600%. Here another one. The second they started that boost function, we can check right here, the coin went up here around a 80% pump. And then we have one more right here, which is also at a 500 boost function. Basically, since they started that boost function, it's up more than that's more than a 2000% gain or something. I know it is crazy. And yeah, basically all you have to do right now in order to trade this, and because this feature literally got added a couple of days ago, it's still really new. And everyone is right now seeing these projects paying $4,000 a day. Everyone just thinks, well, the team is really connected, the team has a lot of money, they're willing to push this project. And that is what's sending these projects with a 500 plus boost function to the freaking moon. Literally every single coin with the boost function enabled up 300% in the last 24 hours, up 12%, here up 500%, and all of them are most of the time in the green, which is just freaking insane. So right now this boost function is overpowered, and clearly a lot of people are seeing that that the teams are basically paying those boost functions, and they're just aping the project, hoping that they will keep on doing the boost function or also getting other marketing, because that's basically the reason why this boost function works so well. People like us are seeing this boost function, they think, whoa, the team just paid $4,000 for just 24 hours of trending. They probably think something like the team really has a lot of money and they're just buying into that project. And clearly this is really sending these projects to the moon. So what I'm trying to say with this video is that you should just keep an eye on these boost functions and these projects that are trending. What you can do is go to the trending tab right here, and you can see right now that the ones with a 500 plus boost function are most of the time in the top 1 to top 5, and then you also have some more down here, but most of the time that are only ones with like 100 boost function or 10. You don't want to look at those, only the ones with a 500 boost function, such as this one, and this one, because these are the ones that are actually sending to the moon. Because they're just getting so much visibility right now. They also have this little special ticker colored 500 boost function. Everyone is seeing this project, and that's just what's sending these projects to the moon. So yeah, clearly it's just really obvious what to do. Just keep an eye on trending, and the second you see a new project, buy this boost function. How can you see that? Well, it's really easy. Just stay on deck, trending on deck screener, maybe refresh it a couple of times, and then you will definitely see when a new project has entered the boost function. Just buy into the project, because there's an extremely big chance that the project will just end up going at least higher. I can't say how much, maybe 10%, maybe 100%, maybe more, who knows. But it seems like this boost function is really working. And of course, that's also what you're expecting when you're paying $4,000. So of course, it's really nice to see that this boost function is actually working when you're paying so much money. So clearly, this is right now just quite literally a hidden gem in trading, for me at least. The problem is you're not seeing that many projects paying that much money, of course. Only a handful of projects every single day are doing this. So it's really important that the second you see a new project pay for boost function, that you immediately aid the project, as long as it's not a scam, of course. And yeah, currently that is just how I am making quite a good decent sized amount of money, and how you can potentially make over $1,000 every single day if you simply have the size to put in these projects. So that's all I have for you in this video. It was a really short video, a really quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is actually crazy, and this is just a new sort of trading style / strategy for now. Of course, maybe in the future this will end up just the hype will die down a little bit and these boost functions will not really do anything, but for now they're really effective. So yeah, that being said, consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto, meme coin, trading, strategy, tips, review, whatever.